It's the start of a new week, Monday morning. All right. And I already got my coffee. Just got done with my first meeting for the day. I'm now getting ready to get going to the office. Um, I just want to share this, okay, and say talk about this while I get ready for work. Whatever you're doing now as a security practitioner, I'm a cloud security engineer. If you're in any of this field, any cybersecurity related field at all, whatever you're doing or you have to do to keep adding value to yourself as a professional in this field, take it seriously. Okay? And I say take it seriously because this field is ever evolving, right? As a cloud security engineer in the last 4 years alone, I know I can't count how many new skills I've had to learn, right? A little bit here, a little bit there to keep yourself relevant in the job market, right? It's very important. Okay? You will be surprised at how quickly you can go being in from being in demand to being obsolete in our field. Okay. So whatever you're doing in the security field, you're a pen tester, cybersecurity engineer, cloud security engineer, analyst, SOC analyst, whatever. Take it seriously to keep adding value to yourself. It could very well be the reason why you have a long career and a fruitful, successful one. Okay. Now it's okay if you want to be mediocre and you're okay where you are, you have no intentions of growing. But I still will place my bet and say that even if you're okay with where you are, technology advances really fast, and you're going to find yourself obsolete, whether or not you even have the drive or you want more. Even if you don't want more, the career is going to demand more from you in the long run. All right. Now, I know sometimes you might not even know where to start or what to learn, but if you're in cybersecurity, cloud security specifically, and also cybersecurity as well, and you want to upskill and add value to yourself, and you want skills that can actually elevate your value in the job market, right? Here are three skills I would recommend you start looking at right now. If you're not already in cloud security, definitely get into cloud security. Get some cloud security experience under your belt, and this is for people that are already in the industry. Get some cloud security experience under your belt. Next thing you want to look at is AI security. That's a no-brainer. All right. I've been preaching that for a while now. And the next thing you want to look at if you're in cybersecurity in any way, you want to start paying attention to container security. Container security, like Kubernetes, container security. All right. And actually, there's four of them. I've mentioned cloud security. If you're not already in there, I've mentioned AI security. I've talked about container security. The fourth one I'm going to talk about is going to be DevSecOps. Okay, because and DevSecOps, yes, because there's a shift happening in the industry. The job responsibilities of a regular security engineer is becoming conflated and somehow merged with that of a development focused security engineer. And that's why you have DevSecOps becoming a big deal now. And I believe it's going to be a big deal, right? For the foreseeable future in this industry. Okay. So if you want skills that can start adding instant value to your profile as a security practitioner, you're already in the security industry. Look at cloud security, look at container security, look at AI security and DevSecOps. And when you start getting to DevSecOps, you're going to have that dealing with some sort of, at least intermediate level automation, which is good for you, right? Don't run away from automation as a security engineer. You can't do that unless you want to be stuck right here in the industry, right? If you ever want to break that ceiling and go way up, you're gonna have to embrace automation, and everyone learns it at some point, right? No one was born with being good with scripting and automating. You learn it like every other skill. Give it time, and you get good at it. But yes, that's all I wanted to say. I'm about to head out to the office. I hate driving in the rain, but I have to be in the office today because I have some really important meetings to get to. But that's what I want to share with you guys. And if you're interested in any of the things I mentioned and you would like resources to get started, just drop a message, drop a message under the comments under this video, and I will try to share whatever resources I can find with you guys. As well, as always, my name is Soda Techie, and I love to help you secure the cloud. Now, let's go to work.